Hey, what's up guys? I am back with another video of Amazon Echo Dot Generation 3. It's a great product by Amazon for day-to-day users. And the box quality is nice. On the above side there is Amazon written. And here are some features. And now let's unbox it. Yeah, on the right side there is written some of the information such as pricing point. In India it costs about rupees 4,400 rupees and Wi-Fi supported with audio line out and Bluetooth. And here on the back side here are some of the apps such as Amazon Prime, Zomato, Ola, Savan and etc. and etc. And the power adapter is also included inside it. It has Fairfield voice control. So through this it can detect your voice from the far away. Now let's unbox it, see what are the box contents. Yes, here is the hologram of Amazon Smile. Here is the main product, the Amazon Echo Dot Generation 3. Let's put it aside and see what are the other box contents. Here are some of the manuals and Echo Dot written up here. In this you can only see how to set up the Amazon Alexa. And here is the power watt. Let's try to peel the plastic surface over the power adapter. Oh, why it's not opening? Ah, finally. And here's another plastic wrap over the power adapter, but it's again not opening. Let's leave it. So there is the Amazon written on the power adapter, and it is 15-watt power adapter for the powering the Amazon Alexa. And let's put these all box content aside and see how the Alexa look like. Here's the Alexa in the plastic wrap. Let's remove it. It feels great. As on the base side there is silicone base. On these sides there is the fabric and 360 voice supported. And here are some of the USB and aux line in. Here are some of the buttons. It feels like console. And here is the lighting all around it. Feels much better than the Generation 1 and 2. As in upcoming video, we will be doing the comparison between the Google Home Mini and Amazon Alexa Generation 3.
Hey Alexa, how are you?
As well as can be, I might as well be, because talking to thee always makes me happy.